Spring is almost here. The snow is melting, the days are getting longer, and it's the perfect time to start preparing your home for the fresh season ahead. But with the beauty of spring comes a few sneaky challenges you'll want to tackle early. Let's start with allergens. Air pollutants are on the rise, and if you're spending more time indoors, checking your air quality is the key to keeping sneezes and sniffles under control. Next up, we have mold testing. All that extra moisture from melting snow and spring showers can sneak into your basement or other damp areas, creating the perfect home for mold to grow. Testing now means you'll catch those hidden spores before they become a bigger issue. And not to forget, water testing. Did you know heavy spring rains can bring contaminants like sediment into your well water or drinking supply? Testing your water ensures you're drinking safe and clean for the season ahead. And last but not least, termites. Yes, spring isn't just for gardeners. It's also termite season. As the weather warms up, these pests wake up too. Inspect your foundation and wooden structures now before they turn your home into a buffet. So as we count down to the first day of spring, take a few steps to get your home ready for the sunny days to come. Prepare now, breathe easy, and enjoy the magic of spring with peace of mind.